According to the passage, you can infer that Kandinsky and Calder are A. fashion directors, B. artists, C. businessmen, or D. marketing directors. In order to answer this question, let's locate where Kandinsky and Calder are mentioned in the text. We see them mentioned in the sentence that says, "Many hand-screened silk and satin designer shirts follow the designs of Kandinsky and Calder." Although the paragraph doesn't tell us explicitly who they are, we can use other information provided to make a logical inference. The paragraph starts off by telling us that art has always been an indirect yet important influence on fashion, and goes on to give several examples of this, including how paintings by the Frenchman Jacques-Louis David stirred an interest in gold braid on clothes, and how Van Dyck inspired pointy lace collars. Based on the information provided, it is logical to conclude that Kandinsky and Calder are also artists from whom fashion designers have drawn inspiration, specifically in their hand-screened silk and satin designer shirts. Based on this information, we can go down into our choices and select B, artists, as our final answer.